That's Black Home.
Yan ba yung pinakamataas?
Mas mataas ng 1,000 feet yan. And they're gonna build a gondola from here to there. To the other one.
Go down.
Wow.
So we're just gonna go like half the mountain.
For the Olympics.
Which path are we gonna take?
We'll take that one over there.
Yeah. Whatever's easiest.
Wala ka makita ang mga mark. Oh, that's Black Home. Yeah, Black.
And it's a cone.
Is there like jumps on here?
No, the park is closed.
Oh, the one with the jumps.
Yeah.
Dapat kumuha tayo ng air plug. Malayo pa, hindi ko pa makita yung dulo eh. Ayun pa oh, layo pa.
Ano? Layo pala. Layo pala lakarin natin pag nilakad.
Hindi mo malalakad dyan.